Hello, dear students. Today we will learn about the fluid connective tissue. Fluid connective tissue had this type of connective tissue have fluid matrix. When we studied bone and cartilage, in that type of connective tissue, the matrix was solid, or you can say the matrix was solid, and but in this type of fluid connective tissue, the matrix is fluid. The this fluid connective tissue, it has two types. Number one is blood and lymph. Both these are the types of connective tissue, and we will learn about these connective tissues one by one. Blood. What is blood? Actually, blood has fluid. It is a connective tissue. Blood is a connective tissue. Why connective tissue? Because it connects lot of organs in our body, lot of tissues in our body, and it has the same origin as that of other connective tissue. These are the very two important points why blood is considered as the connective tissue. Number one, it connects all the organs of our body and tissues in our body. Number second, it originates from the same origin from where the other connective tissue develops. Blood. What is blood? Blood has a fluid matrix. That means the matrix in which the substances are present, cells are present. That part is fluid. That part is watery. That means matrix is ground substance called plasma. That part which is matrix is known as plasma, which has inside the plasma, or you can say plasma is formed of water plus proteins, salts, and hormones. They are all present in the plasma, and also RBCs, red blood cells, WBCs, white blood cells, and platelets. These are the cells which are embedded in it, embedded in the plasma. For example, this is the plasma in which the red blood cells are present, or it is the watery substance in which the blood plasma is these blood cells are present. Now the blood connective tissue, constituents of blood. Inside our blood, how many cells or how many types of cells are present? These are known as constituents. Constituents of blood. The constituents of blood, they have erythrocytes, thrombocytes, and leukocytes. Erythrocytes is the second name of RBCs. Thrombocytes, these are platelets, and leukocytes, these are WBCs. You must remember this. Erythrocyte is the WBC, thrombocyte is the platelets, leukocyte is the WBCs. These are the constituents of this blood. That means blood consists of these three types of cells. First we will learn about erythrocytes. Actually, erythrocytes or RBCs, they are the round, or you can say circular shaped cells, but they are biconcave, like this, biconcave, discoid or coin-like cells, which are red in color due to the presence of hemoglobin. And the important character of hemoglobin is it binds reversibly with oxygen. It binds reversibly with oxygen. It binds reversibly with oxygen and transports the oxygen. Thrombocytes, or you can say platelets, these are very small. These platelets, they help in the blood coagulation, blood clotting. If somebody having any injury, and that through that injury the blood gets lost, but after some time these thrombocytes, they accumulate at the site of injury and stop the bleeding. These platelets help in the blood coagulation. Next is leukocytes. Leukocytes are WBCs, or white blood cells. Actually, white blood cells, they are of two types. Number one is agranulocytes and second is granulocytes. That means leukocytes or WBCs are classified into two groups, agranulocytes and granulocytes. Agranulocytes means without granules in the cytoplasm, and granulocytes means those cells which are having granules in the cytoplasm. Agranulocytes are lymphocytes and monocytes, and granulocytes are basophils, neutrophils, and eosinophils. These are all types of WBCs which are having special role in the protection of organisms against the diseases, or some of these may have the role of phagocytosis, or removing or cleaning the debris of tissues or dead cells from our body. These all WBCs, that means lymphocytes, monocytes, basophils, neutrophils, and eosinophils, they are having important role in the immune system. That means these five type of cells form our immune system. Now you can get into the details of the lymphocytes, monocytes, basophils, neutrophils, eosinophils by yourself. Now what are the functions of the blood, or you can say this all these types of cells along with plasma? What are the functions of the blood? Number one, transport oxygen. The main function of the blood is it transports oxygen and carbon dioxide, transportation of carbon dioxide and oxygen inside our body. Number second is waste products, transport of waste product. That means waste products are produced in our body, they should be removed out, and the removal of these wastes is transported from our body to the outside with the help of blood. Then transport of hormones, that means our body forms hormones, and these hormones have to action far away from the place of their formation. So blood helps us in the transport of hormones also. Next is enzymes. Enzymes are also transported with the help of these blood. Nutrients, we take food and nutrients, and these nutrients are circulated throughout our body. Every type of to each and every cell, the nutrients must reach, and these nutrients are reached with the help of the blood. And the blood cells, that means leukocytes, thrombocytes, and erythrocytes, they are also present in the are transported with the help of the blood. Next is maintains body temperature. Our body temperature is maintained by the blood. It is a very important point. Controls pH. Usually the pH of the blood is 6.4 to 7.4. Between these, or usually 7.4, this it is maintained, or you can say the pH of the body or pH of the blood is maintained by these types of cells. Remove toxins from our body. When we take food, our body produces some toxins, and these toxins are removed out from our body with the help of this blood. Regulation of body fluids. Our body fluids may be regulated, and the regulation of the body fluids are maintained by the blood, because the salts and some essential substances are maintained by this blood. And another is second part of the blood is lymph. What is lymph? Actually, lymph is a colorless fluid that flows through the lymphatic system. Our body fluid that flows through the lymphatic system. That means our body is having lymphatic system in which there runs a colorless fluid, in which large proteins, amino acids, some nutrients are present, which our lymphatic system consists of lymph vessels, that means through which lymph transports, lymph nodes which produce lymphocytes, whose function is to return fluids from the tissues. That means our body tissues are bothered in the fluid. That fluid is rich in nutrients, is rich in large proteins, is rich in fatty acids, and these tissues, the fluids from the tissue is to be transported from the tissues to the main circulatory system, to the central circulation for the transportation. And therefore this lymph is also very important for our body. Thank you. Have a nice day.